Hi everyone, this is Mia from Mia More Life, and in this video I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of this mind-glowing moon lamp. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button down below so we can be YouTube friends. This product was sent to me for free, and in exchange I was going to be leaving my honest opinion and telling you guys what I think about it. But even though I got it for free, this product is something I actually requested to review because I thought it looked really cool and would work incredibly well with our full moon wedding theme as some like that wow factor light. And so I'm excited to see how this thing works and what it looks like. So let's get into it. It comes in this box. So here's the actual moon. You can feel the craters. It's not styrofoam, which is what I thought it would be from the pictures. And it looks like there's a hole in the bottom. Then we have some filler. I'm guessing that's to protect it. USB cable, remote control, and this one does change colors. A little wooden base, and we've got instruction manual and a card. Oh, stop. That must be important. Okay, so that's it. Let's put this back. Don't want it to roll away. Oh, okay. This is, it says, congratulations, your order qualifies for a free lifetime extended warranty. You go to this website and you register it, and you instantly receive 30% off, which can be used for any additional purchases from our Amazon web store. Okay, so you have to register within 21 days from the date you purchased it in order to get your free lifetime extended warranty. So I will be doing that, and then 30% off. So I'll have to see what else they have, if they have anything else that I think might be useful for your wedding. So you get that. And I think the next thing I should do is probably read the instructions so this doesn't keep rolling away on me. So here are just some specs. It says you have 16 colors for the 3D moon lamp with a remote control. First thing you got to do is put together the stand, which is great. Okay, so it looks like you put it in kind of a triangle position. Let's see this again. Okay, so it's supposed to look like that. Let's get this up. Hopefully that is the most complicated part of this. Huh, there's our stand. Looks like the picture. Mount the charged moon lamp on top of the wooden stand when you're ready. Well, let's just make sure it works. Well, it does. It would look like that when it's standing. But I will definitely get a shot when this is all set up with the lights off so you can see this thing in action. Okay, so how do we charge it? Connect the USB charging cord to your computer. So the bottom of the lamp will light up blue when in charging mode, and the light will go off when it's fully charged. I have my computer over here. Oh, there we go. Lights up blue. And this is the little charging pod. There's a little pin right next to the charging port, and you can use that as an on-off switch, or you can use the remote. So if you use the pin, it enables touch mode. But for now, I think we should just charge it. You can charge it on the stand. And then next I will probably mess around with the remote control and all that once it's charged. But there are the 16 RGB shades of white, red, blue, green, and other. It works for up to 30 hours depending on your brightness. It charges for 3 hours and then goes up to 120 lumens. I don't know a whole lot about lumens, but we'll see how bright it gets. And 5 different modes of light. They have flash, strobe, fade, smooth. And then there's batteries in here. It also says if there's any kind of small deformation on the product once you take it out, then you can use a hairdryer or any kind of hot air. You can blow it on the moon for 1 to 3 minutes and it'll return to normal. So that is great, because when I got this, I was a little worried because it looked fine, but there was this little ridge in the box, and I was worried. It looks perfectly fine, but it's nice to know that if there was anything, it can be easily fixed with a hairdryer. Otherwise, you just contact them and they take care of it. But there we go. I'm gonna let this charge for 3 hours and I will be back. Now that the moonlight is charged, I decided to do a simple example of how you might set this up for your wedding. And all I did was put a wire riser, and that's what I put the moon on. So I didn't want it to touch the little button in the back, because you know that turns it on. Then I used sheer draping in the back. So if you just got sheer curtains, you could use that as a backdrop. And then just 2 white flowers. So incredibly simple to set up, but I wanted you guys to see an example of how you might use this at your event. Oh, I also hung a couple of strings of fairy lights in the back. So I'm gonna start by turning those on and see it's a cool light. Here's the remote for the moonlight, and it's a bunch of different colors. And there's also 4 different settings for the type of light you want. I'm gonna start with just the white. Displays the background. It's almost like an uplighting effect that has. You can see the moon craters right there. And then I'm just gonna go into the smooth setting so you can see some of the colors. This is a yellow, which doesn't really work with the cool lights, so I'm gonna turn those off and see if I can zoom in here. So now you can really see the moon. Then you have a deep blue, but you can still see these craters, and I think that's just beautiful. The green, this is the deep red, and it's hard to see on camera, but you can definitely see some craters in there. This is a lighter red, and I love this for the blood moon theme because it's realistic and it doesn't have that gimmicky feel. I think it's really elegant and it makes a perfect centerpiece. You could also put it on an acrylic base and put it on the top of your cake, and that might be my favorite idea. This is orange, sorry. I say that word weird, but this is orange, and it doesn't really look that orange in person. It doesn't look that orange on screen. This is yellow, and I think that's really pretty. And this one is not showing up as yellow on camera, but it is more yellow than that. This is kind of an aqua blue, a darker blue, true blue, and a light green. Then we have a bright pink, a darker pink, purple, dark purple, and then this is like an indigo blue. Whichever way you decide to use it, I do think it would be very pretty wedding decor. I think this would work really well for a lot of different themes, but definitely a romantic moon and stars, celestial. This month we're doing the blood moon wedding theme, and so I would leave this probably on the red. And it was super easy to set up, easy to use. It does come with that base I showed you guys earlier, and you could use that. I just thought it looked so nice on its own that I didn't use the base. But let me know what you guys think. Where do you think this would look good in a wedding? Would you use it on the tables, on the cake? Would you have someone carry it, like a flower girl? And if you do have the light, you can leave your comments below. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets me and YouTube know that you're liking my channel and my videos. Subscribe and share. Thanks, guys.